Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Elementor Ctrl V paste error. If you've been experiencing issues where the standard paste shortcut isn't working in Elementor, this quick fix will get you back on track in just a few minutes. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your main hub for managing everything on your site. Once you're in, navigate to Plugins, then click on Installed Plugins. This section shows all the plugins currently active on your WordPress site. Now, search for Elementor in the plugin list and check its version. If you see an update available, click Update Now. Keeping Elementor up to date is crucial because many bugs and errors are resolved in newer versions, and this simple update might actually solve the paste issue on its own. Next, head over to Elementor in your left sidebar, then click on Settings. This area controls how Elementor behaves across your entire site. Once you're in the settings, click the Features tab at the top. This tab contains experimental and advanced features that can be toggled on or off depending on your needs. Scroll down until you find the Container section. This is a key setting that impacts how Elementor handles elements and layouts. From the drop-down menu, select Active. You'll likely see it set to default right now, but changing it to Active enables the container feature, which resolves compatibility issues with copying and pasting elements. Once you've made this change, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This ensures your new settings are applied across the site. Now it's time to test whether the Ctrl V function is working. Go back to your dashboard and navigate to Pages, then click Add New to create a new page. Once the page is created, click Edit with Elementor to open the Elementor editor. This is where you'll build and design your page visually. From the Elementor editor, look for the text editor widget on the left panel and drag it onto your page. Once it's placed, right-click on the widget and select Copy. Now press Ctrl V on your keyboard. If the widget pastes successfully, your issue is resolved. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the Elementor Ctrl V paste error by updating the plugin and enabling the container feature. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.